Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram.
Coming young Harry here, boy, school supplies. Listen, it's Harry Potter.
Hey, you. You're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us. And that thief over there.
Hapsiu!